Awesome people, welcome to DIY Solar Homestead. I gotta tell you a nice little story. I got the last bill in a month ago and I was cussing, probably through every room. I was so mad. They're not all connected, so it's partially my own fault. And of course, during the solar minimum, you're gonna get such results as running the furnace all through May. Very disappointing on 130. Well, now it's 30. Okay, cut 100 off there. So here pretty soon, I did a little work in the basement on the batteries I got from Southern Ohio Solar Homestead. Not enough to brag about, but I did do a little something. I got to get an additional 4x4 piece of plywood down there. That's going to be looking at the sun's bright coming off that solar array. So that'll probably be working. First of all, we got to get the batteries back up to par because they're like 11.9. Sorry, Jeff. So get that up to par, get that working and functioning, and then back to the meter. See this? This meter behind me rolls backwards. So it's gonna roll backwards. So we're looking at next month, I hope, 0. So I was on overtime for the first 2 days, and today no overtime, tomorrow no overtime. And I'm gonna get, you gotta get out of my overworked, I don't want to do nothing kind of state. Sorry, man, don't mean to be disappointing, but I'm doing a little.